Good afternoon. This is such a beautiful village. I've been walking around, taking in the sights. Do you live here?
Good afternoon to you. Yes, I've lived here my whole life. You don't see too many new faces around here. What brings you to our village?
I've been wanting to get away from the city for a bit, and a friend recommended this place. It's so peaceful here. Do you have any suggestions for places I should check out?
Ah, you've come to the right spot for peace and quiet. Well, if you like nature, there's a lovely walking trail by the river, just a short way from here. And the old church on the hill has quite a history if you're interested.
That sounds perfect. I'll definitely visit those spots. It must be nice to live in such a close-knit community.
It is. Everyone knows each other here, and we look out for one another. It's a simple life, but a good one. What do you think of our little village so far?
I love it. The fresh air, the friendly people. It's such a change from the hustle and bustle I'm used to. I can see why you've stayed here all your life.
It's home. We might not have all the conveniences of the city, but we have what we need. And there's always time for a chat with a neighbor, like this one.
I really appreciate you taking the time to talk with me. It's been great to hear about the village from someone who knows it so well.
The pleasure's mine. Enjoy your stay and don't be a stranger. If you need anything or just want to chat, you know where to find me.
Thank you. I might just take you up on that. Have a great day. Hey, I see you here pretty often. Do you come every day?
Yeah, I try to make it in most mornings. It's the best way to start the day. How about you?
Same here. It's tough to get up early, but it always feels good afterward. What's your usual workout routine?
I usually do a mix of cardio and weights. Today's a leg day, so I'm gearing up for some squats. What about you?
I'm more into the cardio side, but I've been trying to incorporate more strength training. Any tips for a beginner?
Start with lighter weights and focus on form. Consistency is key. If you ever need a workout buddy, let me know.
Thanks, I appreciate that. Maybe we can do a session together sometime.
I'm in. Let's set it up.
No way. Emily, is that you?
Oh my goodness, Jason, I can't believe it. It's been what, 5 years?
Yeah, at least. Can you believe we're running into each other here in the library?
I know, right? I thought you were more of a sports field kind of guy, not a quiet library type.
Still am, but I've learned to appreciate a good book every now and then. How about you? What's brought you here?
Same here. I'm just grabbing some books for a project I'm working on. What about you? What have you been up to all these years?
I'm actually studying literature now. Crazy, huh? I guess all those English classes finally had an impact on me. How about you?
Wow, that's amazing. I'm doing graphic design. Never thought I'd end up in the arts, but here we are.
That's so cool. We should definitely catch up properly sometime, maybe over coffee.
I'd love that. It's so great to see you again. Let's not wait another 5 years for that coffee.
Agreed. Let's exchange numbers and set something up soon. I'm really glad we bumped into each other. Hey, Sarah. Surprised to see you here. Do you come to this coffee shop often?
Oh, hi. Yeah, I love this place. Their cappuccinos are the best in town. What about you?
I stop by here whenever I need a break from the office. The atmosphere is really inviting, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's the perfect spot to relax. Are you on a break right now?
Just grabbing a quick coffee before heading back to work. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, actually. Just finished up a meeting. What about you? Busy day?
Yeah, lots to do, but I'm getting through it. Maybe we should grab coffee together sometime outside of work.
I'd love that. Let's plan something soon.